In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Apple Wallet to PayPal. The process isn't direct, but by using your PayPal account details as a bank, you can easily move your funds across. Let's go through it step by step. First, open the PayPal app on your phone and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Here, you'll see an option called Direct Deposit. When you open it, you'll find your PayPal routing number and account number. Copy both of these details because we're going to need them in a moment. Now open your Apple Wallet and select your Apple Cash card. In the top right, tap the three dots to open more options and then choose Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount of money you'd like to transfer. At this stage, you'll see two choices. You can either go for an instant transfer, which has a small fee, or a standard transfer that usually takes 1 to 3 business days but is free of charge. Next, tap on Add Bank Details and enter the routing number and account number from PayPal that you copied earlier. Save this information, then choose your transfer option, whether instant or standard, and confirm the transfer. Once you've reviewed everything and tapped Confirm, your money will be sent from Apple Wallet straight into your PayPal balance using the linked bank details. And that's it. A quick and reliable way to move funds from Apple Wallet to PayPal whenever you need. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below